Hello and welcome. As far as environmental organization is concerned, we are going to discuss this environmental organization related questions year by year. So suppose in 2023, three questions were asked. So we'll discuss them together because it is very difficult to find a common link between environmental organization. Suppose let us take an example of UNEP or UNDP. Now there are several sub-departments or sub-organizations related to UNEP and UNDP. Now one year they asked about 1, another year they ask about 5. So it is, I find it not wise to read whole UNEP or whole UNDP and to try to remember all the organizations or NGOs related to it. So what we will do is, we will try to solve it year by year. So if we see 2023, in 2023 this question was asked, consider the following statements. In India, the biodiversity management committees are key to the realization of the objectives of the Nagoya Protocol. And number 2, the biodiversity management committees have important functions in determining access and benefit sharing, including the power to levy collection fees on the access of biological resources within its jurisdiction. Now, as far as this biodiversity management committee is concerned, this was formed under Biodiversity Act of 2002. And as far as Nagoya Protocol is concerned, so Nagoya Protocol was signed in the year 2010 under Convention on Biological Diversity, that is CBD. This CBD was signed in the year, or this convention was in the year 1992, and this Nagoya Protocol on Access and Benefit Sharing of Genetic Resources was signed in the year 2010. So, fair and equitable use of resources, and access and benefit sharing of resources as far as genetic resources are concerned are the key functions of Nagoya Protocol. Access and benefit sharing of resources, and by this process we will be able to channelize the traditional knowledge related to genetic resources or these resources, and also its use, fair and equitable benefits related to the use of these resources. So this statement, in India, the Biodiversity Management Committee are key to the realization of the objectives of the Nagoya Protocol is correct. And also second statement, that the Biodiversity Management Committees have important functions in determining access and benefit sharing, including the power to levy collection fees and on the access of biological resources within its jurisdiction. So C, both 1 and 2 are correct answer as far as this question is concerned. If we see another question that was asked in the year 2023 only, then this invasive species specialist group that develops global invasive species database belongs to which one of the following organizations? A, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. B, UNEP. C, United Nations World Commission for Environment and Development, and D, Worldwide Fund for Nature. Now, as far as this database is concerned, this is basically free online resource where list of alien and invasive alien and invasive species are published for public awareness. So this is free online service. These invasive species, they negatively impact environment. Negatively impact environment. And they are under the invasive species specialist group is under IUCN. So this list is released by IUCN. So A is the correct answer as far as this question is concerned. If we see another question that was asked in the year 2023, then consider the following infrastructure sectors. Number 1, affordable housing. Number 2, mass rapid transport. Number 3, healthcare. Or number 4, renewable energy. On how many of the above does the UNOPS Sustainable Investments in Infrastructure and Innovation Initiative S3i focus for its investments? Now this UNOPS was formed under UNDP in the year 1973. UNDP is United Nations Development Fund, and they gained financial autonomy in the year 1992. Under this Sustainable Investment in Infrastructure and Innovation or S3i initiative was launched for 3 sectors: affordable housing, healthcare and renewable energy. Mass rapid transport system is not included in this. As far as affordable housing is concerned, this is related to middle income and low income group in select countries, middle income and low income groups housing, MIG or LIG housing. As far as healthcare infrastructure is concerned, so healthcare infrastructure is related to both public healthcare as well as private healthcare. So basically the clinics, hospitals, beds related to bedding, that is, these are the infrastructure. Also machines that are used for the screening and diagnostic purposes falls under this healthcare infrastructure. As far as the sustainable way of development of healthcare infrastructure was mentioned in the S3i initiative. As far as renewable energy is concerned, so production or generation of renewable energy, distribution of renewable energy and storage of renewable energy are the infrastructure related to solar, wind, hydropower, even hydrogen. All these falls under this renewable energy, and S3i initiative is focusing on all these in various countries where there are prospects of generation of renewable energy. So our answer for this question will be C, only 3. Thank you.